Welcome back to my channel, and today on Bald Head Basics we're going to be doing another shave review. Today we are reviewing this BIC.3 razor. Already out of the gate, first looking out of the packaging, they have a 3-blade, of course. It comes with an aloe and vitamin E strip, so I'm hoping that it's going to be an improvement from the standard BIC razor. Alright, so stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Let's get started. As always, we're just going to wet the head with water. Remember, I use warm water when I do this. And that's it. Some people use pre-shaves, get the skin loose, things like that. I believe that the warm water does just as well. Just give it a second, let it soak into your skin, soften up that hair a little bit. A nice controlled amount of shaving cream. I start with a little bit first, and then if I need to get more, I will. But I really try to be intentional, like I said, with my shaving cream. This can of Barbazol might not be expensive, but when you are shaving as much as I do, you go through a lot of it. So don't waste the product if you don't have to. Alright, head covered up. All I needed was that. Wash up. It says on the back of the packaging that there's 3 blades for a close shave, a lubricating strip with aloe and vitamin E. So, let's see how we do with this. Safety guard. This is the razor. So far, okay. I don't know if you can see that 3-blade and that aloe strip, but it's pretty good. We'll see how it does. I always wet the razor first. The warm water kind of heats it up, so it's, you know, not a cold shave that you will be getting. I start in the same spot. Some people do whatever they want, of course, but I always start in the same spot and shave my head the same way. When it's a razor that I don't know, well hell, when it's a razor I do know as well, I tend to take my time. Again, I look at the razor after each pass to clean it off and start with a clean pass of the razor each time I shave. So far, okay. I mean, it feels nice. It's not pulling the hair. It's not irritating my skin so far. It seems to be cutting. I'm getting a close shave, so that's good. There was a situation where I was watching this razor as I was cutting miss everything with that regular single blade bit. And I was like, oh my god, this is beyond horrible. Beyond horrible. So far I like it. It is definitely giving me a close shave. I can see in the mirror that I'm not missing spots. Too bad. It's getting as close as it can. I'm also taking my time with this. I'm not rushing through this shave. Because mainly, like I said, I don't know this razor, so and how it will cut. My Mach 5, I know that one quite well. There's also 5 blades on that. So, what the first 4 don't get, the 5th one will. So, I think behind the ears is the worst part for me. Number 1, you always miss a little something. You always miss a little something, and then it just doesn't feel right. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's see what we missed. Everything back here today. I'm so busy concentrating on not letting this thing nick me. It's the most exposed skin. Little razor bump. It gets irritated, gets marked over. So I'm not shaving my face right now. I just clipper down my beard with my clippers, my wall clippers, and that's it. I'll tell you, as far as this is concerned, I'm very pleased with this razor. The aloe strip, as you use it, I can feel a tackiness on my skin from the aloe strip, just all over, which is great. This really gets the job done. I would keep these in my bag to do touch-ups around my ears, because when you're dealing with a razor like this, it can't get really close around the ears and really get in those nooks and crannies. So I usually keep like something like this, and depending on how tight I want to go, I can use this as well, just to get right inside, you know, those small little areas. So I would say this is a win. The Big 3 is a win. I'm not sure how many shaves you can get out of this. I would definitely say you can get at least 2 out of this. Some people would beg to differ that all of this is a one shave deal, but I think as long as you check your blade, make sure it hasn't started to rust or anything like that, make sure that the aloe strip still has a little bit of tackiness in it, you could probably get 2 shaves out of this at least. I store my razors in a drawer, so that's where they tend to live, and this came in a pack of 8. So for me, I shave every 3 days my head, so if anything, I could get two shaves out of this if I needed to. So that's just a quick little video. The Big 3 review, I like it. I think it was a lot better than the single blade BIC. And stay tuned to the next one. See y'all soon. Bye.